BOSEM Class 10 Science की Biology section की first chapter life processes हाइबसिने कोई हजिक तौदोइसे अदुदि हौरेसे we have first paragraph we have learned that many of the objects around us are said to be alive while many others are not alive ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯅꯦ object ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ objectꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯍꯤꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯍꯤꯡꯗꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕꯀꯣ alive ꯑꯣꯏꯕ non livingꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ livingꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ then when the difference between these living or non-living objects what are the difference between these living and non-living objects haidi living and non-living objects sigi khetnabase kaino habanebako if we see a grazing cow a running cat a man doing work we know that these are alive ko ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯥꯎꯅ grazing ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯥꯄꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯁꯖꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ a running catna ꯆꯦꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ a man doing work manna human being na manna ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ we know that these are alive ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯍꯤꯡꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯦꯕ living ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ even while they are sleeping even while adu oirasu ko they are sleeping moina tumba ko we know that they are alive moina tum tarasu moise alive ni haini living ni haine why kaigino haba ko because they are respiring maramdi moise respire tauba haidi breathing tauba da sor honbado so all that are alive respired while those which are not alive do not respire ko living things is ahingba things loina respire to sor hole habaneba ko aduga non living thing that means the hingdaba object sina moise sor hon habaneba breathing tawde habaneba ko we also see that a calf grows up in size with the sucking of the mother's milk calf haidi samna haibada sana oigera aduga sum hui macha oirsu sanau macha oirsu moisingse mamagi sangom thaaga moise chawrakpanidana adune a young plant also grows in size with time young plants haidi plants pambi ma khoina thare khalaseba ko matamgi matungina moise chawraktoineba ko thus all the living things grows in size with the consumption of food aduna living thing that means ahingba khudingmakse maase loi chawkhalaktoineba kamai chawkhalaktoino haidardi food consume tawdra machinjak charaga loi chawkhalaktoineba ko aduga next up we also see a cow giving birth to a calf ko cow na sanau macha poeba ko a hen laying eggs yenbina marum ko eko which later hatch to chicken adu matungda yenau olaktoinidana so the living organism reproduce their own kind to continue their race living organism ahingba organism khudingmakna ne reproduce toy hadi giving birth haidi macha piyeba ko kaigino haiba matamda moise continue adum generation after generation ko generation se sum continue tawnabane ko living organism singsina macha loin piyeba next paragraph In earlier classes, we have learned that the living organism possesses well-organized structure. Earlier class ta hiding aikoina mamang class sing da khangre kaino haiba matamdane living organism se well structure possess so hadi ma se organized structure akoi isa sing se structure makhalam ni dan human being or animal game structure tongan lidana no well organized structure possess so we have they have organ have tissue have cells Cell have smaller components in them and so on ko. They have organ, that means living organism do organ yawi moi do organ part yam yawi ko. Part organ sing duda amuka tissue yaure. Tissue sing duda amuka cell yaure. Cell sing na kaina seme small component hadi macha component me amana seme ko macha me amana seme ne aduga so on adugi adumaina mathang tawraga structure se form tawra ini habani ba ko. Next topic, process required for living. Akoina live hadi living adi hingbada changba processing do adubune ba sita tamdoise. First paragraph, the maintenance of the function of the body go on continuously in living organism. Akoi body in a living organism sing body sing se function maintain tauraga function hadi body sing se function continuously function tauraga maintain taur in a living organism sing se ko, even when they are not doing any work or even when they asleep. Living organisms sing sina thabak tawbo akoi human beings se thabak tawgera some have the example in human beings sing se thabak tawgera tummasu thabak tawrasu akoi body sing side adum normally function continuously function tawrineba. This function go on continuously. Sigi function se continuously adum tawrineba tummasu thabak tawrasu chatlasu charasu body the yariba organ sing se loi function tawrineba ko. The process concerned with maintenance of life are life processes. Life processes haidi kaino haiba matamda ne processes karamba processes no haiba matamda akoi body function tawbada changba processes to body organ sing se function tawbada changba process ko adu do amka maintain pasan tawbado adu dubuneba life processes haise. Next paragraph, the life processes of the living body need energy. Life processes of living body ahingba body amagi life processes se haidi body se function sam haibda body se function tawnaba ne akoi body gi organ se function tawnaba energy change habane bako. This energy normally comes from outside the body of the organism in the form of food. Sigi energy se kadai di lake haba matamda body gi outside tagi lakpane kai form da lakpane khoina chariba chinjak sing khoin chariba food sing dudagi energy se lakpane ba. This energy from the food from outside the body of the organism is released inside the body by a process called nutrition. Sigi energy se kamaina body da supply tawrake ha matamda chariba body chariba food to dagi body inside akhun chasalani manung duda energy se supply tawrtune ba food sing duna adugi process to bu nutrition haiba di kai no energy food tuna akhoi body manung de energy supply tawrpai process to bu nutrition haiba ne ba. Next paragraph, food, the outside sources of energy may occur in varied form. Haidi food na yauriba energy sing se ko different haidi varied form da haidi different oi bi yai habane ba ko energy do manada ba yai habane ba ko. These food materials need to be broken down in the body and finally converted into a uniform source of energy that can be used for the various cellular functions necessary for maintaining life. These food material need to be broken down. Haidi food material do chashaliba food to khoina ko hana broken down hai tar hana kaithalani dana body manungda ko thugairani finally ko aroibada kamai karin convert tawrni uniform source of energy da convert tawrni aduna cellular function haidi life maintain tawbada changba cellular singchina cell myam singchina ne use tawdoine ba sijina doine ba ko haidi cell sing akhoi body di yar ba cell sing duna sijina raga akhoi life se maintain tawdoin haidi function body sing function tawhandoine ba ko. A series of chemical reaction are necessary for this haidi si sing se haidi food materials sing se thugai badane body manung da sum thukai thahan badane ko chemical reaction myam changi ba. Most common chemical reaction for breaking down molecules are oxidation reduction ko ख्वाइदगी कमन नोइबा chemical reaction हाइदि molecules से हाइदि food molecules सिंग जो food materials सिंग से काइथन बदने ख्वाइदगी कमन नोइना चंगवा chemical reaction दी oxidation reduction reaction हाइबा chemical reaction सिनेबा को oxidation हाइरगना oxygen से add तौशन बा oxygen से लौशन बा को अदुगा hydrogen से थादोखिबा अदु reduction हाइरगना oxygen से remove तौखिबा hydrogen सिना मुग लौशन बा Sine oxidation reduction reaction hai se ko for this many organisms take in oxygen from outside the body sigi damakta ne organism sing sina ne body akhoi gi body outside tagi ne oxygen myam lawsal le ba kai gi si reaction che chathana ba kai hai se akhoi shor honjin ma tam da akhoi shor honjali se oxygen honjali na tro akhoi thadu isina muka akhoi shor hondu isina muka carbon dioxide ni dana adune man hai se this taking in of oxygen and breaking down of food material inside the body for cellular need is known as respiration. Haidi respiration haidi kaino haba matamda. Aikoina taking in of oxygen. Aikoina sor honjan ba matamda oxygen do laushan ba. Aduga oxygen do gi mating na akoi chashal libo food material sing do thugai dana kaitha le dana aduga cells sina use to han bado ko function body function taw na da makta adubu respiration haibane ba ko first paragraph in most unicellular organisms generally no specific organs or organ system occur for taking in food, exchange of gases or removal of wastes as the entire body is in contact with the environment. Kaino haba the nesigi peras the high se kaino haba bantamne unicellular organism high tardy cell amakatang dubune bako unicellular organism sing sidine organ natraga organ system laite bako haidi moina food chana bagida maktane organ natraga organ system laite ba aduga exchange of gases natraga removal of wastes se laite exchange of gases hai tardi gaino ha matam da khoina oxygen lausalaga carbon dioxide thadoi do adu moida di laite ba aduga entire surface kaigino haba matam dane entire body surface se moi environment ga dum contact tawraga laye ba haidi napsan naraga lay environment haidi ka hai tare environment koi bigi surrounding sidane mohe dum lay ba removal of wastes haragana kaino haba matamda samna habla khoi human being ta oro human being ta ite khoi urine pass tawidana adu dune removal of wastes hai se urine pass tawba adugumba mayam do khoi gi excess haidi waste mayam se khoi kana daba mayam se thadu idana adu bune ba removal of wastes adu unicellular organism dadi taude habane ba ko sigi se important ne ko sigi lines first three lines se important ne ko na highlight tawre ko next but in case of multicellular organism most of the cells are not in direct contact with the surrounding of the environment ko adubu multicellular organism dadine cell ayamba se hai khoi surrounding ga direct contact tawra leibadi natte dana khoi so khoi thop bum hing living tawra leibani aduga removal of wastes na khoina khoi gi organ du gi mating na khoi da yar organ du mating na pass tawbani dana ko urine pass tawbo orasu adugudo surrounding duga the direct contact or laite dana adu multicellular organism da human being hai multicellular organism hai di cell amadagi hen ba haibane ba ko khoi human being sisu multicellular organism ne lairiba animals sing sisu multicellular organism ngatne ba ko sigi line sisu important ne ko duna line sisu highlight tawre highlight sing se important oi ba ngatne ba ko aduga for them various body parts have become specialized for performing this function ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ that means the multicellular organismꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ various ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ body parts-ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ become specialized ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕꯀꯣ performing this function that means ꯀꯔꯤ function ꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯅꯦ removal of wastage ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ remove ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ urine pass ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ exchange of gas exchange ꯇꯧꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯦ body parts-ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ body parts-ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯪꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯀꯣ this specialized structure or tissue also do not function of uptake of food do the function of uptake of food and oxygen ko sigi specialized structure haise ya maru pa haidi body parts sing se ko structure sing se natraga tissue sing se ko do function moina kai function tauge hai tar de khoina food chai sing se khoina food chai se adagi oxygen lausan ba moi si sing se moi gi function nga tane moina tauga da mathau nga tane ba but these are done only in the specialized part of the body while every cell of the body need this food and oxygen ko adubune sise samna haibada akhoi sor honba hairo oxygen adu food chaba hairo food chai se akhoi mauna chaba ni dana sor holi se akhoi heart ta oxygen pass taraga honbani dan adu part amamam na mai mathau amamam taweba ko adubu food tagi energy se akhoi body khuding bakki darkar oi ko function tawna ba adago sor honba sing se oxygen sing se akhoi body blood circulation tawba da darkar oi dana oxygen sing se adu haidi function du budi body part amai magi body part sing tuna khaido tawbane ba adubu darkar oi badi body loina makna darkar oi haibane ba man hai ningi se ko thus there arises a need of distribution of the food and oxygen to every cell by developing a transporting system hai tar di kai no haba matam da food akhon chashal liver food to dagi energy convert out to energy do transport tawna ba haidi thadok na ba ko cell haidi body part khuding gi yauna ba ko yauna ba distribute tawna ba food to su oxygen du su darkar ore e habane ba ko next paragraph when chemical reaction take place for the release of energy by using food material and oxygen byproducts are released khoina ne akhoi body manung da food cha chasale khala body inside ta hadi body manung da food se breakdown ta hondoi ni dana ngasai hai khre ko mamang da breakdown ta hon ba haidi kaitha halaga energy da convert tawdoni dana adu chemical reaction se thoe dana energy da convert tawbada kai chemical reaction hai oxidation reduction reaction hai bani bo common noina ko adu da byproduct release tawe hai byproduct release tawe hai ba maram dine atopa energy du dagi hen bane atopa product su release tawe ba ko thadu e ba ko accumulation of these byproduct beyond a permitted level is harmful to the body ko kaino haba matam ne akhoi ki body da byproduct haidi ahen ba product to chabada akhoi na chinjak to charani food to lausalani food to chabada energy da convert tawni energy akhoi na lausan biya ba energy du de khoi body part ya hon grani ko adu da lausan biya da ba pot tu da khoi sum magi permit level hai tar di kaino haba ta khoi da lai biya ba level body manung lai biya ba level to hengat khade akhoi body ge oina harmful oi khudong thiningai oi ba ko so these are to be aduna ne these are to be continuously removed ko chang nai ne remove tawba ma darkar oi ba ko body dagi and discarded outside adu mapan da thadok pa ma darkar oi ba adu gi process tu bune ba excretion hai se removal of wastage to haidi outside the body da ne haidi khoi gi body da kanadaba akhoi body manung da kanadaba phattaba myam da thadokpa san haibada khoina urine pass tawrise ko urine pass tawrise sina akhoina kanaba myam da loksal hauraga kanadaba myam da ne ba thadore ise ko adudine man haise adugi process tu buneba excretion haise in multicellular organism a specialized system for excretion is present ko haidi excretion multicellular organism gi oina di ko sam haibe human being gi oina urine pass tawna ba akhoi gi system lai jaidana adu buneba now let us discuss the various life process more in detail akhoi mathang detail da khangakani ko life processes se tamak toini ba life processes sai je kaino haibe se ko answer da let us answer this ta ko kaino sida sima question ne hojiki ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ paragraph ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ how can we know that something is alive ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ something ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛ ꯑꯃꯁꯦ object ꯑꯃꯁꯦ alive ꯑꯍꯤꯡꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯒꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯤꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ livingꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ breathing ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ movement ꯇꯧꯏꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯠꯁꯤꯟ ꯂꯦꯡꯊꯣꯛ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ food ꯆꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ food ꯆꯥꯕꯗꯨꯅ energy convert ꯇꯧꯔ body function ꯇꯧꯏꯀꯣ ꯂꯦꯡꯊꯣꯛ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯏꯒꯗꯕꯀꯣ next question da in which form the living organism get energy from outside the body ko karamba form the living organism singsina energy phange hai dardi body outside the body kai form da phange food ki form da phange natro food to aikoina chasalani living organism na food to aikoina charani food to manung da break down tawni chemical reaction thoka kai thalani aduga energy da convert tawdo natro adune next da life processes haibisi kaino sineba life processes hai tardi kaino haba matam body ema function tawba matamda body part system yam changiduna tissue organ system adudo maintain tawnaba hotnabado ko function tawnaba hotnabadu buneba life processes haise next question da kaino haba matamda no specific organ for gases exchange is needed in an unicellular organism why is it so aina sai hanbagi paragraph ta yam important oina highlight tawkhibado thawinki adudune mana hangise specific organ hadi unicellular organism singsinane organ da ka ta deba kaigino exchange gases exchange kitam gases exchange hadi breathing inhale exhale tawbodo sor honthok onjin tawbodo adudo darkar ta hadi karigino kaigino hadi main oina ne moidi surrounding environment ga contact adum leyeba haidi moi surrounding environment sida yam chungsinna lei hai tare ko aduni mana haise masai hai khibado moidadi gases exchange darkar ta de removal of wastes darkar ta de harise kaigino removal of wastes darkar ta de moidi organs yaude moi unicellular organism sing de ko aduga unicellular organism de moidi food su cha deba uptake tawdeba kaigino moidi unicellular organism ni environment to ki mating na surrounding de mating ni hingbane ba aduna come in contact with the environment haise sina hanba part ne ko asigi chapter sigi next akoina tawdoise mathangi da tawdoisina nutrition haiba kaisine topic sine ba tawdoise ko aduna ai mathang adum upload tawrakke ko soidana ba aduna mayamna aigi video se pambiya or like subscribe share tawbiyo thank you